Once you unbox your printer, you will have a power cord, power supply, cleaning spindle, USB cord, your quick install guide, and driver. After you unpack the printer, you want to load the supplies. First step is open the print cover and install the supplies and cleaning sleeve. Remove the supplies cartridge, place your ribbon on the cartridge, place your cleaning sleeve on the spindle, install the spindle, remove the cover, place the spindle in the printer, close the cover, open the card door, place your cards in the input hopper. Next step is to plug in the printer, unpack power supply, take your power cord and plug into the power supply, and then take your plug and plug it into the wall. Next step is to plug in the printer and power it on.
Once the printer is powered on, wait a few minutes until the printer is in the ready state.
To operate the printer, you need to install the printer driver. Take the driver CD and place it in your computer. There are two ways to set up the printer, using the USB or the network. First, we will use the USB. To install the printer driver using the USB, from the menu select Install a USB printer. Select the Accept on the EULA screen and click on the next arrow.
Once you accept the EULA, the following slides will show you how to load the supplies, cards, and the power on procedure. We have already completed these steps. Ensure they have been completed correctly and click Next. Once you select Next, the software would automatically prepare the computer.
Once the driver is done preparing your PC, connect the USB.
After plugging in the printer, the software will automatically start installing the driver.
Once the driver has installed, print a sample card. Now we will show you how to set up the printer over the network. Take your Ethernet cord and plug it into the printer. Once your network cable is plugged into the printer, you will need the IP address. To get the IP address from the menu, press the user button, press the enter button, press the down arrow, press the enter button, press the down arrow twice, press the enter, press the down button, press the enter button. Write down the IP address as you will use this for the driver install. After you have written down the IP address, press the user button 5 times to get back to the ready state. After the printer is in the ready state, go to your PC and select Install a Network Printer. On the EULA screen, select the Accept and select the right arrow.
After ensuring the prep steps are completed, click Next and wait a few minutes as the network driver installs.
Once you receive the properties box of your printer, select the Configure Port button. Underneath the printer name or IP address, type in your IP address. Select OK and select Close. Once the driver has been complete, select the Print to Sample card. After your sample card has printed, you are now ready to use your printer.